In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add multiple images to your story in Facebook. First, you click Add to Story to create a new story. Now choose your image. I'll choose this one. Now to add multiple images to the same image, you have to click on to the top right stickers, and then you want to go down here and you see the first option right here. This is where you want to click, and here you have the option to choose multiple images. I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm gonna go click to the top right again, stickers, and click here again, and I'm gonna add another image, and now I'm gonna click stickers again. And you could add as much images as you would like, and there's basically no limit. So after you're done here, you can just click share and just wait a few seconds and it should show up. And this is basically how you add multiple images to your story in Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.